In this video, you're going to learn how to set up the moving average strategy, the strategy past performance, and whether it's still profitable to trade the moving averages crossover strategy in today's market. A moving average is a calculation used to analyze data points by creating a series of averages of different subsets of the full dataset. In finance, a moving average is a stock indicator that is commonly used in technical analysis. The reason for calculating the moving average of a stock is to help smooth out the price data by creating a constantly updated average price. In trading, the moving average is often used in pairs, a long period moving average and a short period moving average. When they cross each other, it creates trading signals for traders because the price level from different periods overlapped and could potentially lead to significant price movements. The setting for our moving average strategy is very simple. The period for the short moving average is 9 and the period of the long moving average is 21. Now you might think this is too easy, it can't be real. But here are my 2 cents. A simple strategy is more profitable than most complicated trading systems in general. It doesn't have to be overcomplicated. Our entry rule is when the 9 moving average cross over the 21 moving average for long, and for short, it's when the 9 moving average cross under the 21 moving average. We use a dynamic stop loss, trailing 2.5 ATR. Before recording this video, I've already tested the strategy and noticed it is most profitable when trading the 4-hour time frame, therefore we'll be trading on the 4-hour chart. We first start off by reviewing the performance of the strategy on the 18 major currency pairs. Change our time frame to H4 and we're ready to go. We quickly skim through the profit factor for each pair. I can see there is nothing interesting as they are not profitable. Let's move on to stocks. Our moving average strategy is profitable on Tesla, Apple, Twitter, LVMH, Amazon, on the 4-hour time frame. Since we are only testing its performance for the past 5 years and 4-hour is considered a higher time frame, the number we get for closed trades are considered reasonable. There you have it. I've shared one of the simplest yet profitable trading strategies with specific guidelines on how and where to trade it. Savvy traders can go on test it yourself and optimize the parameter further. With that being said, the version I shared has already proven to be profitable to trade on the assets mentioned. If you want to learn more about other profitable trading strategies, click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, or suggestions on strategies you want me to review in the coming videos. Thanks for watching.